Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can replace an already sent photo on Telegram on PC or laptop, a photo or image you have sent to your contacts. You can do this on Telegram on PC or laptop guys, and I'm going to guide you through this to show you how this can be done. So launch the Telegram application, for example, as a desktop app, and what you want to do next is access the conversation with the user you would like to replace the photo of. So browse through your chat or conversation history and find the photo you would like to replace. So I will go with this one here with the channel logo here. I sent that contact. So right click into the given photo, and from here select, let me find it, select edit. And after that you will see that button here next to the message or text field here. Click into it, and that is going to allow you to replace your photo or image. So simply find the new photo or image on your device, locate it, upload it, click into save here. You may add also a caption or compress the image. You may also replace it by clicking on this button, add an emoji, and so on and so forth. So click into save here, and there you go. As you can see, that photo or image has been replaced. Just bear in mind guys that, for instance, if your contact has already saved your sent photo on his or her device, you won't be able to change that, of course. So but that should be pretty self-explanatory at that point. So that's how you replace images and photos in Telegram on PC or laptop guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.